Scare me, baby.
Young Lee on the beat.
Hey guys, this is your girl Pretty K. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you and you're welcome to my channel. So today I just created this butterfly simple look and I really hope you guys enjoy this look. If you really want to know how I achieved this look, let's just get into the videos. I'm going to prime my eyes with this eyeshadow base. Actually, ever since I bought this eyeshadow base, I've never used it before. I don't really know how it looks like. Maybe it's going to work well or no. That I don't know. But let me just see. So now I'm going to blend it. I'm going to blend it now. Now I'm going to blend it. To set out my concealer, I'm going with my powder. So these eyeshadows, they're all from Douglas, so as you can see. So I'm just going to grab one of this palettes. Let me see which one. I'm going to use this two right here. So for the first translutional color, I'm just going to take this brown here and I'm just going to blend this one. And this brush is Bobbi Brown, the blending brush. You know, I said I'm going to use this other palette. So now, for this other palette, we are just going to pick up this orange color. But we are not going to use it too much of it. We're not going to use too much of it. So I'm still on the same brush. I just want this brownish color to just come out a little bit. So the other step we are going to take now, it's going to be the most difficult step. But wait a minute, I think I need something to do that. I actually don't know if I can draw what I want to do. So now I'm going with this pencil to create the look I want.
Scare me, baby. Scare me, baby.
Young Lee on the beat.
So I'm going with this my concealer brush stick.
Baby, this your beauty. Don't make me don't fall in love. I gave you money, I want to spend up on you. Yeah, yeah. Call me, come back, I'll go there for you. So baby,
So now I think the pencil, it's not cutting the brow well the way I want, my crease. So I'm going with this my lighter pencil, my small tiny pencil.
Straight to the altar, faster. It take things cool like Rasta. Respond to me love like answer. As you enter the place, you don't box up me mind like Brazil flag.
Okay, so I'm going to introduce to you my lovely palette from Sleek. So this is from Sleek. Now I'm going to dab the colors one by one. The first color I'm going with is going to be the orange. And the second one is going to be the green. The next color is going to be the yellow.
Give me you two kiss, make the boy shark. The next thing
And then the next color is gonna be the pink.
now I do rap KME. Can make we take it easy like an ABC. They call me Samza.
So the last is gonna be the blue. And I'm going to repeat the colors again to do it again step by step, because this time around I want them to more poppy, so more pop out. So I'm just going to dab them again. I'm slightly blending all of them together, but not too much, so it's enough this way, you know. So enough this way, I don't want to destroy. And then what we are going to do now is to draw some lines. I'm afraid to take the big one. So we are going to draw some lines. We are going to follow the other lines I was drawing at the first. I don't know what the starting when I don't know what I was doing. So I'm going to find it.
It's Cammy, baby. It's Cammy, baby.
Young Lee on the beat.
So before we go ahead and do anything, I'm just going to leave this one here for now, and we are going to start on the other eyes. So now I've got the line. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a line between the two colors, within the colors. So I'm just creating my normal ring liner for my lash. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a tissue and then because my face wiper is upstairs, my face pad, and I don't want to go upstairs. I'm feeling lazy, so okay, so the look is going to be like this. And what we're going to do, I'm going with my white liner. I'm going to make a dot. So I'm going to moisturize my face, mousse my face. Okay, with my soft beauty blender, I'm just going to blend this one under my eyes. Oh yes, I know that this concealer is white for my face, but it's not a foundation, it's just a concealer. So today I'm going with this, my liquid skin concealer. It's a drop. I'm going with my skin tone. It's just the same as the foundation. So this is the concealer. I'm just going to apply this. So I'm going with my powder to set out my baking powder. For contouring, I'm going with my Sleek.
It's Cammy, baby. It's Cammy, baby.
For lash, I'm going with this my lash, and I got them by Amazon.
On the beat.
Thinking about you all the time. Give me about you all the time.
So now I'm going with my blush.
My baby, I will stand by your side now. Baby, this your beauty.
Don't make me
For highlighter, I'm using a little bit of my drops. And I'm good with my powder highlighting to just put on my face.
cock hand on the shoulder. Me na master. Straight to the altar, faster. He dey take things cool like Rasta. Respond to me love like answer. As he enter the place, he don't box up me mind like Brazil flag. Brazil flag. Them point finger party, then he don't they ask what in a sip and this girl.
Me your baby, you should if you make me happy. Spend all your money on me. I can give you all you need. Oh, you say make a come here. You want Jamaica? Rosa, baby.
I gave you money, I want to spend up on you. Yeah, yeah. Call me, come back, I'll go there for you.